Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a flowchart with ChatGPT. First of all, open ChatGPT and log in with your account. And from here, I'm going to show you how to create a flowchart. So I will ask ChatGPT to give me a LaTeX coding of a flowchart explaining how the UEFA Champions League, which is also called UCL, makes money. Now hit enter. Now let's see what ChatGPT provides us. Now ChatGPT has given us a simple code, or maybe you can call it a complex code. It looks complex. So what I will do, I will copy this code provided by ChatGPT. I will copy code. From here, I will open a website called overleaf.com. It's a free website. All you have to do is just to create an account from your Google account and sign in with your Google account and create a new project with Overleaf. Click on blank project. You can give any name, like I will give it a name as a test. I will create a blank project. Now, we have to delete all of the coding that it provides us by default. So I will clear that and I will paste the code given us by ChatGPT. I will paste the code and click on recompile. Let's see what happens. Now this is a flowchart completely created by ChatGPT. The ChatGPT gave us the code. We just pasted the code and we have created a flowchart with the help of ChatGPT. And that's how to create a flowchart with ChatGPT. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe.